Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord problem on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord problem on YouTube, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to the window of apps and you will enter to YouTube app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.